Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 7 Chapter 24 Area and Perimeter Exercise 24D question number 10. Right, this one is a right angled triangle, has the largest side as 13 cm and one of the sides containing the right angle as 12 centimeter. Its area in square centimeters is what? So here we have to find area of the right angled triangle. Fine. So it's going to be something like this only, which is like something like this, then this, fine, and then something like this, right, in which this angle will be a right angle. One of the three angles is going to be a right angle, okay. And second is that which is the largest side of the right angle triangle. So largest side of the right angle triangle is the side which is opposite to the right angle triangle. See, this is the right angle triangle, these are the two sides adjacent to it. That means that this right angle triangle is sharing its arms with this side and this side, right? So it is touching these two, but this side that it isn't touching is this one, which is opposite to it. So we say this is opposite to the right angle triangle. And remember, always in a right angle triangle, the side opposite to what? The right angle is always the largest side. So this is the right angle triangle, opposite to this is this side, and remember there is one name that is given to it, that we call it as hypotenuse. Fine. So this is what? The hypotenuse, and this is the largest side of the right angle triangle. Fine. And these two sides, this is the base, this is the altitude. Fine. Okay, now see here that hypotenuse is the largest side is 13 centimeters. So fine, so this one here is what? 13 centimeters. Okay, the one here below it, you can see largest side as 13 centimeter and one of the sides containing the right angle. So this one, these two sides contain the right angle. So any of these two can be what? 12 centimeters. So let's take this side for now because we don't know exactly what it is. So this side will be 12 centimeters. Fine. And this hypotenuse, which is the largest side, is what? 13 centimeters. Now here we have to see that one thing is very important. We must know the concept of Pythagoras theorem, right? That is what? That a square plus b square equals to c square. It's pretty simple. Basically this side and this side. In a triangle there are three sides: hypotenuse, base, altitude. So base squared plus altitude square equals to hypotenuse square. Fine, you will not get it, but basically here we're going to calculate the third side, right? The third side we don't know, and we cannot find area of the triangle. Why? Because for finding area we don't need the hypotenuse. This 13 centimeter, for this is useless if we are going to find the area, because we are not going to use hypotenuse. We will only use base and the height. We know one but we don't know the other. Okay, so see here that we'll do the Pythagoras theorem. Fine. So it might look a bit complicated at first. Fine. So see here, basically what we're going to do is that we are going to find square of this side and this side. See, I told you, if we add area of this and this, fine, if we are going to add the squares of these and these, we will find it that these and this square and this square will be equal to this square, right? See a bit more clearly. So basically if our triangle, it is something like this, fine, it is basically something like this only. Fine. So what we're going to see here, this is not a right angle triangle, sorry. So right, like this if I have, so in this what we will do is this thing, if I find square of this side, this one, and if I find square of this side, this one, and if I add the two squares, if I will add area of these two squares, what I will observe is that it will be equal to the area of the third side, and this is the largest side, so the square also will be what? The large. So basically add this will be a square, this will be b square, you'll get what? C square. This is what we will be doing here. So simply find this. See, a square we have length is 12, so find square of 12 square okay, and plus b square. Again we don't know this side, fine. So what we'll do for now is, let's keep it as it is. Okay, let's keep it x and squared, that equals to the largest side. Okay, this also we will put, because for now we need two known things, one unknown thing. One we already know, and second is hypotenuse 13 centimeters. Put that down, 13 square. Simple as that. Okay, now 12 square is 144 plus x square, again leave it as it is, don't touch this, and 13 square 169. Now do you observe this is turning into an equation only? Fine. So this will become what? X square, leave it here, plus 144 comes to this side, so this becomes minus 144, and solves that, you get x square equals to 25. See, x square is not length of the side, x square is the square of the side, this entire thing, but we need the length only, right? So we cannot proceed further with x square only, because this is not the length. This is not 25 centimeters, this is squared of the length, right? So what we will do is, to find x, we will find x here first, fine, and to find that we will find the square root of 25. See, that will be x equals to under root of 25, that is what? 5 centimeters. This is the length, not this one. So x equals to 5 centimeters. So this one we know now, 5 centimeters. Alright, so see, now we can proceed, and now it has become pretty simple. Its area in square centimeters is, so use the formula for what? Area of a triangle, that is 1 by 2 into the base into the height. Fine. So see here, area we're going to find that, right? So 1 by 2 into base 12 into height 5. Cancel this 1, and 12 goes 6 times. 6 into 5, that is what? 30 square centimeters. Fine. This becomes our area, and this is an MCQ question, so take option A is 30. Fine. So take option A. This becomes our answer. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves, and bye bye.